It's Money Monday. Jay Wayne got that motivation. Let's go.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and I'm with my brother right here. Matter of fact, they never met you on my channel yet, have they?
I don't think so, bro.
It's my brother Marcus, man. Like my real, like not like my homie, bro, but like my real
same
bro.
Same mama, same daddy.
Same mama, same daddy. You know, it's a lot going on right now. And like I say, I bring y'all along on my journey through the good and the bad. And unfortunately, right now, it's a bad time in my life, in our life, because my uncle, Zolo, died. He passed away.
So I encourage us in here today, they're gonna be tears, but they're not tears of defeat, they're tears of victory. Because we know that after this earthly tabernacle be dissolved, then he will lift us into our new home. Talk about how God will take care of you. I've learned, church, that God can do more late than what you could ever do on time. While you're trying to figure it out, he's already worked it out. While you're trying to find sense out of it, God has already made sense of it. And it's simply because God is always present to help and to guide us through these difficult moments of life.
Bro, to see Uncle Zolo like that, bro.
Yeah, it was real touching, man.
Real tough, man. Like, he was the real deal, bro.
Legend. He was a legend. Like, he definitely got his roses while he was living. They named the recreational gym after him, and it's not nothing that they did after he passed. It was something that they did 20 years ago. You know what I mean? So he was living and received his roses. You know what I'm saying?
He touched a lot of people, man. He touched a lot of people, and like you said, they named the whole gym after him.
Yeah.
And bro, I ain't trying to be like a downer on this video because he wanted to celebrate more than anything.
Definitely.
But I was going through the food line afterwards, you know, like the after thing. But dude was heard me talking to my cousin, and he heard me telling him about like what I do, because everybody be seeing me online, right? And I started talking to him about a little bit of crypto, a little bit of this, and he was like, "Oh, y'all, you into that crypto?" It's always somebody nowadays. Used to be nobody, but it's always at least one. That's a good thing. It's always at least one person that knows something about it. He an old head. He was like, "Yo, look at Tesla." He was like, "Look at lithium batteries." So I think he got a point with the lithium batteries though.
Okay.
The Tesla, he said Tesla gonna go back up, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? That. Maybe. The lithium batteries though, you got to figure out which one though. But you know the lithium batteries about to pop off. Even though California telling everybody stop charging their cars up, take a break on that. I'm like, you want us to buy electric cars, but you don't want us to like charge them? Like, you want us to say, hey, slow down on all this charging.
Right.
That's what California got them doing out there, slowing down on the charging.
That's wild.
But we got to go to a EV country though. We're going to an EV country, so that's crazy. So maybe this country is not ready for EV yet. I don't know.
So investing in stocks is popping.
Trading stocks is all right, but here's the thing though. What about what just happened with Ukraine? The war in Ukraine. What about Ukraine when everything when Biden became president? What about when everything became, I ain't saying that he caused it, but that's, you know, I mean, whatever, but what about when Ukraine and Biden became president and everything dropped? See, the stock market dropped. Crypto dropped too. But it was one thing that stayed constant, that we kept making money on.
What was that?
And that was Forex.
Forex market.
The Great Britain pound was dropping too. The Great Britain pound was dropping too, y'all. But we sold, because you can sell and buy with Forex. And actually, with crypto, a lot of people were selling Bitcoin because that was dropping too.
So can I ask a question?
Go ahead.
Right now, are we in a seller's market or a buyer's market?
Right now is a seller's market for the Great Britain pound with Forex, but that's back and forth all the time. But right now it's a bearish market.
Okay.
With crypto has been in a bearish market for a minute, but everybody keeps saying it's gonna go up, but don't nobody know when. But all we do is seeing it go up a little bit and then it drops some more. But with the stock market, all I hear is everybody complaining, oh man, the stock market is taking a hit. Oh man, like they're complaining about it. I'm never complaining about if Forex is dropping, if the Great Britain pound is dropping. I'm never complaining because I'm making money both ways, bro.
So you basically telling me in between all the things that happened, pandemic, how was it?
All right, so that's a good question though, because the pandemic, when what is it called, coronavirus and all that stuff hit, we actually, that's probably the first time we actually had to like stop a little bit.
Okay.
Because the market was way too spiky.
Okay.
It was like crazy spiky. And I'm gonna show y'all a clip of what that looked like right now. I'm gonna put it on the screen, but it was real spiky. It was like not predictable at all.
So
like it was still moving and you could still make some money, but like it was like super risky.
So how long did that phase last?
So that lasted for like a month.
Oh, that's it?
That's it. But
Wow.
people are still complaining about the stock market right now though.
Wow.
And look, the stock market is worth billions and the Forex market is worth trillions. You already know. You already know. So I'm trying to get my brother on game, y'all. You know what I'm saying? And I think I'm gonna teach him a little lesson today. You want to go to the office and go to the office and see a little, put you on a little game, lace you up?
For sure, why not?
Hey, I lace y'all up, y'all. Don't be jealous.
Hey,
Because I'm gonna lace my bro up too.
Cause you know what I heard?
What?
Pips pay my bills.
Hey,
Pips pay my bills.
Let's go.
You know, and that's crazy because it's a lot of people that don't know about this.
Bro, like I say, bro, I'm trying to go back to my people, man. Hey, y'all, I come from the hood. We come from the hood. We wasn't raised like in the best of places. Like my mama did her best though. You know what I'm saying? Like we wasn't in the slimiest though either.
We definitely wasn't raised in the best conditions.
Nah.
But we definitely made do with what we had.
And so, you know, we wasn't taught this. Thank God that I came across this path and it was all because of God, nobody else. Now I want to go back, put my brother on game and then put his boys, you know what I'm saying, on game. And you know what I'm saying? Trading is the new hustle. Trading is the new hustle. You feel me?
So what about I don't want to say it wrong. I heard the GBP and the USDs.
So the Great Britain pound versus the United States dollar.
Okay.
All right. So that I always got that up. So that's what you see over here.
All right,
and you always hear me talk about that
all the time.
You know what I'm saying? So you come over here. And actually, I'll show you what I've been working on all week, to be honest with you. Let me go over here, bring this chart up, and boom. So I actually took this trade, and I called this out on YouTube live, matter of fact. Let me go over here, right here. So on this one, it's a thing called Fibonacci, and we use it a lot. And so it's when price makes a high and a low. So remember I said everything was like going down. Remember I was like, well, the Forex be going down, but we make money.
Yeah.
Still, you know what I'm saying? So all it did was make a high and a low. And then what I remember I said high, then lower high. Here's the lower high right here. So that's around this Fibonacci level. And how we get this Fibonacci level. Fibonacci is the way of the world. Fibonacci is the spiral on our finger. You see my finger, what they call it? The print. You see how it spirals and it comes to a middle point?
Yes.
That's all Fibonacci.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? The tornado, the middle of the tornado. The whole tornado sequence is Fibonacci. So
I'm following you.
So you go from high, push it down to this low point right here. You see this low point right here? And boom, it gives you that, you see that 618, 50% level? What happens is price, the algorithm of this market, the way the banks made it, it always tends to pull back
halfway of the move that it just came from. So what's the move that it just came from? This big high low push.
Okay.
Price tends to want to go halfway of that. So that's called the golden zone.
To where you can really.
That's where you see where the
recoup in the middle.
Yeah, that's where you not recoup, but that's a place where we find our entries.
Okay.
All right, and all we did was catch it. You know what I'm saying? Like we waited for price to hit this golden zone and come back below that 50 moving average, that red line.
The red line.
This is the sale right here. We sold it. Boom. I'm safe. I'm a safe trader. Like I only trade conservative, you know what I'm saying? So I caught from this move down here to this move right down here, and I was done. Y'all can have the rest of that money. I'm off the market. You know what I mean?
All our life, you always been a safe person when it comes to
that money, bro.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? So I'm in and out, and that's how I stack my money up.
Yeah.
A lot of people want to. I'm sure, like some of your boys, bro. Like some of them, you are gonna find some of them that's greedy. That love this, and there's always one that want to. Keep going. Let me get some more. Somebody always at that gambling table and can't leave. They done won 500, 600 for the day. No, they keep going and now they blow everything.
Right.
You know what I mean? It's always that one person. But I'm not that type in this, bro. I see my move, I catch it moves 30, 40 pips for me, and I'm done.
You can't have emotions in this.
Nope. So I wanna teach bro how to do this, man. And he might just invest in a little coin. In the beginning, put something in a coin, sit there and let it and hold it for a while. So we got some coins in mind that's low right now. But I want to get him and the crew on this Forex. You know what I mean? Because this the one that's gonna pay you daily. You know what I mean? I've been doing this for 7 years. You know what I mean? And I can cut y'all learning curve down. If it took me 7, it take you 4. You know what I mean? If it take me 4, I can cut it down to 2. But you and the homies got to put the work in.
Hey man, look, we got no problems with putting in the work.
Yeah. So that's what we've been doing with Forex, and you can see it dropping. So now, how do you keep making money along the way? Is you just keep, as long as it keep, watch this, as long as it keep making highs and lows. Didn't I tell you pull back halfway?
Yeah.
Look at this. High, drag down that Fibonacci tool to the low point. Here's the low point right here. Look at this. Golden zone.
Right.
Look at this. Where did you see price come up and stop at? Golden zone.
Exactly.
Every time. It's too easy.
And
it's too easy. You kind of understanding it. It's too easy, bro.
So can I ask a question? What do you prefer, the uptrend or the downtrend to make money?
So that's what I was telling you, bro. People, when they doing this Forex stuff, they have a bias. And they only want to trade a certain way. But I'm telling you, and you know what? I used to like sales because for some reason the market drops harder than it goes up. It goes up, but for some reason it drops harder. So that's why a lot of people like the sales more than the buys.
Because what goes up must come down.
But for some reason, the market just drops harder than it wants to push up. So that's why people tend to like that. And I was like that in the beginning. But as I, got 5 and 6 years into this game, bro, I don't have a bias. I'm trading either way.
Either way.
So for an example, if it breaks the golden zone and go up, I'm buying. But it didn't break the golden zone. It came back and tested. It's still underneath this what? Remember what it's called? The 50 moving average. It's still below it. So why would you buy? The trend is down. So we don't even think about a buy right now until price gets above it. So watch this. Here it go again. All right. Remember this high, low, and the pull back to the golden zone.
Yep.
Look at this. Here's the new high.
Yeah.
High. Here's the low, right? Pull it out. So the next day, where did price stop at? Look at it. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. High. Let me put so people can see it. High, low, pulls back to the golden zone. Drops.
Right.
Guess what? High, low, pull back to the golden zone, drops, and make your money. So you're making your money from here to here.
And you're still on the 50 below.
And you're still below the 50, so you keep selling. Right. Now look at this. The same move, remember? High, low, guess what? It pulls back golden zone. Still below the 50. Sell,
Wow.
Bro, do we gotta keep going, bro? High, low, pulls back, drop.
Man, it's there.
Bro, the whole way through, the Fibonacci made us the money.
Yeah.
This ain't the only way I trade, but this is one of the most powerful ways.
A good technique.
And yo, I just wanted to make this video, y'all. I ain't gonna hold y'all long, but I just wanted to, y'all to meet my brother. Y'all ain't meet my brother, so I wanted to put him on here. And it was a lot going on, but I'm still making content for you guys. But I wanted to also share a little bit of knowledge and lace him up. You feel me?
I appreciate it, brother.
Hey, like I said, he came to the right place because he wanted the tips to catch pips. You feel me? So, all right, I'm gonna end the video here, y'all. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Please subscribe to the channel because, hey, I got some updates that's coming out. All right. And matter of fact, I'm gonna go live on Instagram. All right. So follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna tell y'all the new things that's going on with Team Take Profits. All right. Hey, look, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money, baby. Peace.